Hi there, this is Crystal, and I'm back with my January Citrus Twist Kits order. If you have been paying attention to what's happening at Citrus Twist, then you may already know that they've changed up their kits a bit starting with this month. They no longer are doing Pocket Life and Scrapbook kits, but instead just have a single Life Crafted kit. So that's what I have in here, as well as their new Life Crafted album. And I have to apologize for my voice. I've been basically sick the entire month of January so far. I'm still fighting off a cold. My voice has not fully recovered. But I wanted to get this video made and shared with all of you so that you could see the new kits and see everything that's inside. So I've already opened up the box, but I haven't taken a look at any of the goodies inside. So we will do that together. So there is the Life Crafted kit, and here is the album. Let me set this box aside. Let's look at the album first. So it came in this this bag, this kind of linen-y, muslin, that's the word, bag, and this is the album. So the album itself is something like 5 by 9, I think, but the pages, the pockets inside are for a standard traveler's notebook size page. So essentially you could make it like a ring-bound traveler's notebook mini album. Or you can choose not to use the page protectors and make full pages, which would be, actually let me grab my ruler and let's take a look at exactly what size it is. So this is about 5 by 8 1/4. So your pages would be about that size, so you could do that. I plan to use this as a mini album. I'm thinking of using this as the album to document our home improvements. We've been working on our house for several years now, and I've been wanting to put it all together so I could see the progress in full. So I think I might use that this album for that purpose. So let's take a look at the actual kit. You'll notice that the kit is going to be really similar to the Pocket Life kits that we've gotten in the past, with just a few differences. So it still comes in the zipper pouch, which is always super handy. And then we get the little card, as always, just saying that this is the Fresh Start kit. That's the name of this kit. Let's start with the 4 by 6 cards and the papers. So with the kit, you get 6 by 8 papers, and these are Citrus Twist exclusive papers, as well as 4 by 6 cards. And then, so that's the same as the Pocket Life kit, obviously. But then we also get this 3 by 8 card. Now that's something new. And it is made, obviously, to fit with this album. So it's a 3 by 8 card. It says, "This is where it all begins." Has this beautiful teal floral on it. And then the other side says, "Be fiercely you." So I really like that. And the 4 by 6 cards, I really love these buildings. I have no idea how I'm going to use them, but I want to use them so badly. So I'm going to figure out a way to fit them in. And then the other side is just this lined card. And then you've got a new story to write, which is perfect for January. On the other side, I really love this as well. This kind of pinky peach polka dot with a circle in the center for a title or a picture even, whatever you would want to put in there. And then as always, we get a cut apart label sheet, which always comes in super handy. And then there are the 6 by 8 papers. So let's flip through those real quick. Here is that same teal floral. There's a kind of beigey brown, kind of a grayish beige grid print, a scallop print in blues and greens, mint and white polka dot. Really love this. It looks like ribbons to me, like little ribbons laid across the page, and in these beautiful light colors. A yellow and gray floral, a notebook page with some distressing and kind of like a ledger printed at the bottom. A yellow geometric, this kind of limey yellow-green color with blue florals, this really pretty cornflower blue page, some pink and yellow chevrons, and then a very classic black and white stripe. So those are the papers. Let's look at the 3x4 cards next. So just like the Pocket Life kit, you also get 3x4 cards with this kit. And these are double-sided, so we'll look at both sides. So there's 2019, which would be perfect for a title page. And then there is so much more ahead. That same gray and yellow floral and new intentions. Fresh start, the best time for new beginnings is now. And I really love this coffee with the polka dot stripes or journal lines. That is, we had something similar to this in last month's kit, and I really like that. Love this card, and it's all about balance. This one says today, and then the back is just a yellow journal spot. It's a great time for great new beginnings, and then a black and white floral. Currently, open up, love, make mistakes, learn, be strong, start all over again. You belong here, and let's eat. We've gotten one similar to this before too. I really like it. Let us come alive to the splendor around us and see the beauty in ordinary things, and then go forth and be fierce. So you can see very much in the theme of new beginnings, of fresh starts, as the kit is called. It goes really well with January. Everyone's starting new things and setting new intentions for the month of January. So that works out really well. So here are the embellishments that come in the kit. We get a black puffy alpha sticker. These are my favorite. I love their little puffy alphas. I use them for everything. I love that there are numbers on this one. There aren't always numbers, so that is super handy. And I've used my black one almost completely up, so I'm excited to have a new one. There's a little tiny word sticker sheet. And again, the phrases are very appropriate for a fresh start kit. So things like begin, this year, bloom, thrive, choices, move on, start fresh, those sorts of things. So always love tiny word stickers. We also get these vellum word stickers, which are going to be super hard to see because, let me just open it up actually. So because there are two sheets in there, they were not perfectly lined up and made it really hard to see. So I'm going to just pull one out and hold it up on this white background so you can, oh, it would help if I had it the right way. Okay, that way you can see it a little bit better. Again, phrases that are really perfect for the new year, for starting over, for new goals for January, and beautiful colors. And I love that they're vellum. It's just something a little bit different and new. There is a chipboard set as well. And this one has some gold foil, which is absolutely gorgeous. I am loving that. So I'm super excited to use, especially these little gold foiled phrases. We get a stamp set again. This is a bit bigger than the stamp set that used to come in the Pocket Life kit. So this is a 3x4 stamp, and I think the others were 2x3. So a little bit bigger, a few more stamps on here, again in the same kind of theme about fresh starts and starting over. So open mind, let's begin, open heart, fresh start. This is my story, my rocket fuel. You've got to be a beginner before you can be anything else. Yes to this, the best is yet to come. Make yourself proud, this new beginning and start. So very appropriate stamps. Excited to use a lot of those actually. And then of course there is the ephemera pack as always. There is so much in here. I'm just gonna show you the back side because look at all of that. It's always so, so packed full of stuff. I'm always amazed at how long these ephemera packs last, how much I get out of them. And yeah, that they can just fit all of that in this tiny little package because it's so usable. And some of my favorites I'll just point out. I really love this Fresh Start. That's kind of a vintagey looking one. Those are usually my favorites, the ones that are kind of vintage. I really love the coffee and teacups. And then again, those houses. I'm loving the buildings. I've been super drawn to anything with houses on it, and I'm not really sure why. We don't have a new house or anything, and we're still living in the one that we're renovating. So I'm not sure what it is, but super loving those, excited to use those. I may actually use those in my house mini album. So that is the kit this month. I think the prices have changed a little bit, so you may want to go check that out if you're not a subscriber and are interested in subscribing. I am not associated with Citrus Twist at all. I buy my kits myself and just share them with you so that you can see what comes in a kit in case you're interested in them. And then I usually use these for my documenting in the current month. However, I've started something different with my January Project Life, which I'll be sharing with all of you soon as my voice comes back and I'm able to talk for longer than a couple minutes at a time. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this for January since I've already got something kind of set aside and planned, but I'm definitely going to be using this for other things, so you will definitely see these supplies pop up on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave them below. I'll do my best to get back to you, and I will see you back here again soon. Bye-bye.